helmet. I took some steep risks in my teens. I'd never ride without one now. And since my doctor prescribed Lipitor, I won't go without it for my high cholesterol and my risk of heart attack. Why kid myself? Diet and exercise weren't lowering my cholesterol enough. Now I'm eating healthier, exercising more, taking Lipitor. Numbers don't lie. My cholesterol has stayed down. Lipitor is FDA approved to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke in patients who have heart disease or risk factors for heart disease. It's backed by over 19 years of research.
Lipitor is not for everyone, including people with liver problems and women who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant. You need simple blood tests to check for liver problems. Tell your doctor if you are taking other medications, or if you have any muscle pain or weakness. This may be a sign of a rare but serious side effect.
Still love that wind in my face. Talk to your doctor. Don't kid yourself about the risk of heart attack and stroke. If Lipitor's been working for you, stay with it. Lipitor may be available for as little as $4 a month with a Lipitor copay card. Terms and conditions apply. Learn more at LipitorForYou.com.
Now, revive your lips with a more ravishing red. Color Sensational Red from Maybelline, New York. For smoother, softer lips in 5 days. Our formula with honey nectar dramatically hydrates. Color Sensational. Love it.
You haven't seen anything like Pizza Hut's new Big Dinner Box. 2 medium, 1 topping pizzas, 8 intense wings, and 5 freshly baked breadsticks. Order the new Big Dinner Box today.